Cashanista friends, it's Casharee and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to be doing a little quick chit chat video just to catch y'all up on what I've been up to because I have not posted a new video in some weeks now, probably like over a month now it might be, and I'm so behind and I've been missing y'all, but I've just been so busy with everything I have going on and I haven't had a chance to film any new videos. So I said let me just catch y'all up real quick and get back on my YouTube uploading at least once a week schedule that I've been trying to do for the longest now. So yeah, if you're familiar with my channel, you may have noticed in all of my latest hair tutorial videos, I would always start with just air dried hair or just combed out. I was never really blow drying or straightening my hair because I decided to do a whole no heat on my hair. So I stopped using heat on my hair for a whole year, y'all. It might even, I think it was a little over a year actually, end up being like maybe a year and a month or two that I went without using any type of heat, that's without blow drying and without straightening my hair. And I decided to do that because I had straight pieces that wouldn't curl up. So in an attempt to get those pieces back right, I decided to just stop using heat on my hair altogether. And I also decided to get a Diva cut. Now, if you don't know what a Diva cut is when you get your hair trimmed in its natural state. So they're pretty much shaping your fro, and of course it's in your natural state, so they can easily trim off any dead pieces that just refuse to curl anymore and just are straight and weighing down your natural hair. So I got that done a few months ago, and I decided to do that, like I said, to get my curly pieces back. And I was for sure like, oh, I'm not gonna straighten my hair anytime soon, so I can easily do that because I'm gonna be wearing my hair in my little twist out. But fast forward a few months later, for my launch party, I decided that I wanted to straighten my hair. Now, when I made the decision to get my hair straightened for the party, I was so worried because I was worried that my hair would look crazy straight. Since I got the Diva cut just a few months ago, I was thinking that who knows, like one piece might be up here while the other section might be down here. It might just end up looking all kinds of a mess straightened, depending, because of course with natural hair, depending on your shrinkage, like it could just be, shrinkage is real. So you can have shrinkage way up here on one piece and then less shrinkage here. So that means she might have to cut off a whole lot of dead pieces here and not so much here. So I was just worried about my hair being completely uneven. But fortunately, that wasn't the case. I was so happy. My hair ended up being able to blend really good straight. So it wasn't like choppy here. My stylist who did my hair, she dyed it this color. This is my new hair color too, y'all. It's like a bronze, burgundy-ish, bronzish with some blonde or honey blonde highlights. So yeah, I got my hair colored and straightened, and she said it just looked like I had split ends, so she could tell that I had some type of cut done to my hair. So she just trimmed off the split ends. I'm going to insert a picture so y'all can see what my hair looked like when it was actually straight, and I was pleasantly surprised that it ended up being longer than I even anticipated it being. Like I mentioned, I decided to straighten my hair for my launch party. Now, if you didn't see my video that I posted 2 months ago when I actually made the announcement about my business, I'll go ahead and tell you a little bit about it now. Since my last upload, I have now launched my business, which is an online clothing store for women, Cash Queen. Cash is actually an acronym for kind, ambitious, stylish, humble. So a Cash Queen is a kind, ambitious, stylish, humble woman who is a go-getter. She knows that life happens for her and she goes after her dreams in style. She doesn't, consume herself with wearing the most expensive brands because she knows she is the brand. So that is what Cash Queen is all about: being true to yourself, being you, embracing your individuality, and going after your dreams while looking good doing so. So shop with me, y'all. www.shopcashqueen.com. I also have the Cash Queen collection, which consists of custom Cash Queen tracksuits, t-shirts, hoodies, and sweatsuits, all on the site, y'all. And you know, I have to look out for my Cashanista friends because I love y'all. So when you go to the site and make your purchase, be sure to use the promo code Cashanista to receive a discount on your order. So that is what I have been up to. That's why I've been a little MIA, just because I've been pretty busy with everything going on with Cash Queen. But the launch was successful. My launch party was successful. I was so happy to have such a huge support system and have such huge support from my family and friends. It was a really, really good turnout and just an overall good time. But yeah, so that's what I've been up to, y'all. Be sure to check the site out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it. Let me know what your favorite piece is. Let me know on everything, y'all. But if you don't have nothing nice to say, or if you don't like it, let's do what your mama always told you. If you don't have nothing nice to say, don't say nothing at all. No negative vibes over here, y'all. Good vibes only. That's what we about. That's what casharee is about. That's what Cash Queen is about. So yeah, let's listen to mama. But yeah, that's it for now. I will be back soon with some new videos. I have a protective style in mind that I will be doing soon, so stay tuned for that, and I will see y'all in the next video.